Hello, I welcome you all to vocabulary session 2. Word is adamant. The meaning of adamant means forceful, inflexible. I would like to give you an example of it. Adamant, if I say he was adamant at this point, that means he was firm, he was rigid at this point. Second word, braggart. Braggart means someone who boasts. Now, boast, you must be thinking what is the meaning of boast. Boast means if you are proud of something or if you say proudly something about yourself, that is known as boast. Cynical, believing that people act only out of selfish motives. Heresy, against orthodox opinion. Now you must be thinking what is the meaning of orthodox. Orthodox means if you are following a rule or restriction of a religion, that is the meaning of orthodox. So against orthodox opinion, heresy. Then obscure. In session 2, we in session 1, sorry, in session 1 we studied about obscure. The meaning of that, I told you that undiscovered, unclear. Here it is difficult to understand. Debility, weakness, incapacity. Boorish, if I say you are a boorish person, that means you are ill-mannered. Epistle, a letter. Poised, a poised man, a calm, collected, self-possessed man. Hiatus, interruption, pause, or we can say simply a break. Tenacious, tight, strong. Tenacious also means when you have a strong opinion about something. Brevity, being brief, short. Brevity, brief means short. Adroit, skillful. Equivocate, speak ambiguously, avoid telling the truth. Larceny, theft, robbery, stealing. Obsession, if I say I am self-obsessed, that means I am more concerned about myself, a dominating concern, that is known as obsession. Timorous, cowardly, fearful. Retention, preservation, to accumulate, to collect, to preserve something. Withholding. Epitomize is simply, if I say epitomize means a perfect example. Taj Mahal epitomizes, that means Taj Mahal, a perfect example. Okay, epitomize means typified, characterized, personified. Debunking, that means exposing false claims or myth. So I decided today of providing you every day the Hindu vocab. So our first word is rebel, make merry. Merry means party, happy, sorry. Contraction, flexing, tensing. Ominous, menacing, baleful. Generosity, magnanimity. Ensuing, following, succeeding. Assault, strike, onslaught. Onslaught means to attack someone. Search, rise, increase. Revamp, renovate. Revamp means to make changes. Search means to increase, to rise. Negligible, trivial, okay, of very less value. Prospect, view. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to channel for more such videos. Thank you.